Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make creamy Carbonara Buldak ramen, so let's get started with the video. Begin by preparing your toppings. First, chop some green onions. Next, boil some eggs to your preferred doneness. Then peel the eggs, cut them in half, and set them to the side. Next, I cook some frozen dumplings to go on top of my ramen. However, you don't have to use the same toppings I'm using, you can add whatever you want. Once you have finished preparing the toppings, we can move on and make the ramen. First, get 1 pack of Carbonara Buldak ramen. Next, add 2 cups of water in a large pan. Bring the water to a boil and then add your ramen noodles. Then cook the noodles for 3 minutes. Once the noodles have finished cooking, drain the water but leave 8 tablespoons of the water remaining in the pan. Then add a half a cup of milk. Now add the cheese powder and the buldak sauce. Then mix everything together until well combined. Next, mix in a 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. Now bring the ramen to a simmer and then let it cook until the sauce has become thick and creamy. Once the ramen is nice and creamy, you can go ahead and plate it up. First, pour your ramen in a bowl and then add your toppings. I added some shredded mozzarella cheese on top, then I added some seaweed, and the boiled eggs and dumplings I prepared before. Next, I added some chili oil and green onions on top as well. And this is the finished result. This recipe is how I always make my buldak ramen. It makes the ramen taste even better, plus it's super quick and easy. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!